Welcome to the My Buddy Check Caregiver iPhone app demo video. This video will explain the benefits of the Buddy Check network and show you how to use our new iPhone app. The Buddy Check network gives you peace of mind, knowing that mom's or dad's health condition is being monitored, even when your busy work schedule limits the amount of time you can reach out and check in by phone. And now our Apple iPhone application makes it even easier for caregivers to stay connected by providing immediate updates. You receive instant text messages and email messages when help is needed, with the ability to call them back with the touch of the screen. Detailed call status. You can access real-time call status summaries and detailed information about your loved one right from your iPhone. Appointment reminders. Never forget a doctor's appointment or errand again. Now you can schedule daily, weekly, or custom one-time text message and voice reminders sent from your iPhone whenever you wish. Not a member yet? Then sign up today at www.mybuddycheck.com for a free 30-day trial membership. How does the My Buddy Check Caregiver application work? After you have downloaded the iPhone app using iTunes, you need to set up your iPhone with us so that you can start receiving call summaries and alerts on your phone. You need to have the login ID and password that was sent to you by text message or email when you created and registered a buddy on the Buddy Check network at the www.mybuddycheck.com website. Emergency contacts and the account owner also receive a login ID and password. If you have not received a login ID and password, please contact the person that originally set up the BCN account. They will add you as a contact in their BCN. If you were added to the BCN and did not receive a login ID and password, send an email to support@caroltech.com. Login. Use the login ID you received when you created an account on the BCN website. Password. Use the password you received when you created an account on the BCN website. Buddy's number. Enter the primary phone number for the buddy that is being monitored by this BCN account. Use the 10-digit format, numbers only, no dashes. Device number. Enter the primary phone number for this iPhone device. Use the 10-digit format, numbers only, no dashes. The device phone number must match the iPhone being used, or the registration will fail. Save. Save your information. This will register your iPhone and start downloading the current call status information. Do not log out unless you need to reset the login information. When you close the iPhone application, your registration information is saved. An incorrect phone number format or not being registered in the BCN system will cause an error. Possible error. If you get this error, it means that you have misentered one of the required phone numbers or login IDs and passwords. It could also mean that you or your buddy are not registered on the Buddy Check network. We work hard to make sure your data is secure, so all registration information must be correct. If you continue to have problems, contact us at support@caroltech.com. Call status summary. Each time you start the BCN Caregiver app, it will download the 20 most recent status messages from BCN in real time. You can then scroll through the color-coded list. Touch any call status summary line to see the details for that call. Each call status is color-coded to make it easy for you to track any call that needs caregiver action. The colors mean green, call completed successfully; red, alert raised and some action is needed; yellow, may need attention or a message was sent; blue is an informational message. Call status detail. From the call status summary screen, you can access details about each call. To do this, just click on a call status line item from the summary list and you're able to view detailed information about the BCN monitoring call and outcome. This will enable you to determine the level of response needed by your buddy. On this screen you will see Buddy's name and phone number, time and date of call, the call outcome, status description message about this call, primary contact's phone number. You can scroll through all messages on the list without going back to the call summary list by clicking on the up and down arrows. The buddy or the primary caregivers can be contacted directly from this screen. Contact Buddy. If call status detail indicates that you should contact the buddy, you can do so immediately by text message or voice call by simply clicking the button. Contact Primary Caregiver. If you need to contact the primary caregiver to discuss care or coordinate errands, you can contact the primary caregiver by text message, email, or voice call if needed. What if you need to remind your buddy of an appointment or task? Add reminder. Often you need to make sure that an important appointment or task is not forgotten. Now you can schedule a voice reminder right from your iPhone. With your new My Buddy Check Caregiver app, you can create and save a custom appointment or any important task reminder using this screen. BCN will convert the text you type into a voice message and place it in their BCN voice mailbox to be played during their scheduled BCN monitoring call. It will also send the alert as a text message if your buddy has a mobile phone as their primary contact device. How do you set an appointment reminder to be played for your buddy? To start, click the Add Reminder button on the Call Status Summary screen. This will take you to the Add Reminder main screen. On this screen, you can type in your reminder message using the iPhone keypad. Because text is converted to speech, any invalid characters entered will not be saved. Be sure to keep your message less than 1,500 characters. The text message or voice mailbox message will be delivered on the date and time specified in the Date Time screen. After you have entered your message, click the Next button to set the frequency, date, and time for the reminder. Date Time. On this screen you have the option of scheduling the reminder to start on any future date and time. Reminder messages can be scheduled daily, weekly, or a single date and time. Reminders can be scheduled for any time in the future and will only play or start to play at the date and time selected. Daily reminders are repeated for 7 days starting on the date and time you select on this screen. Weekly reminders will be repeated 1 time a week on the day you select for 4 weeks. Time does not affect weekly calls as they will happen whenever the call is scheduled. One-time only reminders will announce only on the date, day, and time selected. For example, let's say that your buddy has a scheduled call each day at 9 a.m. You want to remind them that they have an upcoming doctor's visit on Friday the 31st at 2 p.m. By adding the reminder message, "This is a reminder from Jim that you have an appointment with Dr. Smith this Friday," saving it as a one-time only reminder for Thursday, July 30th at 8 a.m. We set it at 8 a.m. to make sure it is active before the scheduled call. You then click Next, and you will have a chance to review your message and add it or cancel. Your reminder message is now scheduled, and you need never have your buddy miss an important appointment again. How do I join the Buddy Check Network? Website registration. You can be a member by signing up for a free 30-day trial using our website, www.mybuddycheck.com. On the website, you create your login account and add a person to be monitored, the buddy, as well as up to 10 more emergency contact caregiver members. You will receive a text message or email confirmation, after which you can create a login account on the website and generate a user ID and password for the BCN iPhone setup screen. Each new member can download and use the free iPhone Caregiver app. There is never a charge for emergency contacts and caregivers to be part of the Buddy Check Network. Our goal is to ensure that we help seniors build the support network that will keep them safe healthy and informed, while providing support for their caregivers.